Hi friends, this is Jessica here with French Farmhouse Flair. I wanted to share an unboxing video with you today. I just know it's going to be a beautiful thing to share with you. It's zChocolat from France, and I'm just so excited to share it with you. So let's get started right away. I want to get this open because I'm so anxious. I've already just cut the tape on each end so that I can go ahead and open it easily to show you. So I can just pull it out here. Okay. Ooh, it's all nicely padded to protect the packaging here. Ah, it's beautiful. Comes in this beautiful bag with the drawstrings here and a little pocket on the front. You can see their logo here, their Z logo for their zChocolat. And then a little personal message inside to Dear Jessica. And that's me. I just love it. And then there's a little booklet in here with the chocolates, and I will talk a little bit more about that here shortly. But let's get right into this here. I'm so anxious. Let me move the packaging away here. And it just has this beautiful, I just love the coloring here, the black and white. It's so simple and also just so classic. The classic French black and white just has that French flair and the Parisian style going on here. So I'm just going to open up the top, pull it out. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh my goodness. Again, it's just that beautiful, simple, yet elegant packaging here. The black and white, and don't you just love how they have personalized it here with this beautiful stamp, this heart stamp on top here. So pretty. I hate to even open this beautiful packaging because you just want to look at it. It's so pretty. And there's the flip side. Okay. Let me just talk about this company too for a little bit before I go ahead and open this. And I just wanted to say that it is, they do offer worldwide express delivery and same-day shipping, and also delivery guaranteed for February 14th. Okay, so this is a special Valentine's gift here. Beautiful. And one of the quotes on their website, I was noticing, it said, "We make the ones you love feel special with elegance, intelligence, and excellence." It's 100% made in France, these chocolates, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, and they were rated best chocolate store for for 2018. And Los Angeles Times said spectacular of their product, and the New York Times said best present idea, and the Washington Post said a cut above. So you can just see how beautiful and special this present would be for your loved one. It's just lovely and exquisite. So let's go ahead and start by opening the packaging. There, okay, came off very easily, and you just don't want to ruin it because it's so beautiful. The packaging, you know, is just such attention to detail here. You can really tell. Just beautifully wrapped. Very elegant packaging. isn't that beautiful? With the heart and the key on top here. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look at the little label here on the side. It's just so beautiful. I'm going to set that aside, the wrapping paper, so that I can open the box. Let's take the first box out here and take a look at what we have inside. Oh, isn't that so pretty? Wouldn't you just feel so special getting chocolates like this? Oh, it's beautiful.